Phase 1, demolition. Apologies for the limited camera footage. I had to go into the office, so I had set up a security camera to try to capture the action. Of course, I messed up one of the settings, and it did not record the second half of the demolition. But you can at least see the method that was used, just taking the railings down piece at a time, and then taking the decking off plank at a time, and then eventually taking the framing and the stairs down. Alright, phase 1's complete. Deck is gone. Well, this is the footing, if you want to call it that, from the stairs. Piece of bluestone, nothing else under it, off the side of the pad. So when the original deck stairs came down there, so based on where those are, I'm envisioning that this was probably more of like a landing, or maybe like a 5 or 6 foot, call it a deck, and the stairs came down to about here. So they expanded the deck at some point, and instead of pouring a proper footing, whoever did it just let the thing go off the side. So stupidity. Looks like the post against the house had a patio block under it. This one here, which used to be the stairs going down to the pool, they did a little better. They had 4 patio blocks under there. And where the main load-bearing footing is, looks like they did go down at least 3 that I can see. And these are just cinder blocks. So they attempted a footing. Is it a good footing? No, in my opinion. But at least it looks like they did attempt to go down to the frost line. So anyway, it'd be nice to get this done correctly to code.